In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your account in Docusign Esignature. Let's dive in so that you can become more comfortable managing your account efficiently. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar, Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and smart agreement management. Once you're on their homepage, look around to get familiar with the layout. It's user-friendly, which makes this process quick and straightforward. Next, let's get you logged into your account. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your email and password, then hit enter to access your account dashboard. Now, if you're new to Docusign or haven't logged in for a while, make sure you remember your login credentials. It's a good habit to keep them safely tucked away in a password manager, which can save you time and headache. Once logged in, we'll move on to the Docusign home. This is your main control panel and the place where you'll do most of your account managing. Think of it as your digital desk where everything starts. Spend a few moments in this area to familiarize yourself. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should find everything you need easily accessible. Now let's take a look at the agreements section. This is an essential part of Docusign where all your signed documents and contracts reside. Click on the Agreements section on your dashboard. Here you can browse through your active, completed, or even draft agreements. If you're someone who handles a lot of documents, using the search and filter tools available here will make your life so much easier. After you've spent some time in agreements, let's turn our attention to templates. Templates are perfect for those recurring document needs like onboarding new employees or standard contracts. Click on Templates to explore what's available, or even create one of your own. This feature is a huge time saver and ensures consistency across all your documents. Moving forward, the next tab is Reports. In this section, you'll find useful analytics and insights on how your documents are being utilized. Click on Reports to dive into dashboards that provide details like completion rates and user activity. For anyone tasked with reporting or optimizing workflows, this section is invaluable. Finally, for those managing multiple users or accounts, the admin section will become very important. Click on Admin to access various management tools for your account. From here you can adjust permissions, add new users, and configure security settings to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. And there you have it, a quick guide on navigating your Docusign Esignature account. With these steps, managing your documents digitally should be a more efficient and seamless process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore each section more deeply to take full advantage of what Docusign has to offer.